All right, we are back on over to Debbie's shop here, and Debbie's got Mother Heart's Daughter. She's got a vegan, floral, and seasonal soy candle shop. So let's check it out. Let's see what you got here, Debbie. You got some pretty items already, I can tell. I love candles when they have all this stuff in them. I don't know why. I think it's so cool, but they are cool. I like it when they got the flowers and the different things. So very, very pretty. Let's see, we got Christmas fall candle. Seasonal candle, peppermint candle, peppermint woods. Let's see, 8-ounce soy candle. And this photo is very bright. Now I'd like to see a photo. If you have a photo of these lit, I think that would be nice to see as well. And you know, I don't know what it is about fire, but it's kind of a pretty thing if you can show it off. So if you get the camera angle right, it should really pop and look nicely to have a photo of these candles lit. So that's the only kind of photo I think that's really missing here. And let's see here, we got handmade wax soy fluid ounces, 8 fluid ounces. We got an 8-ounce vegan soy candle, peppermint bark scent, smells of cedar with peppermint undertones and hints of citrus and cinnamon. This candle is sure to put you in the holiday spirit and make your home smell lovely. Okay, very nice. Good details there. Now, the one thing that will be a bit of a challenge will be right here, $8.97. So if your product costs $16 and your shipping is $8.97, it's kind of tough. It's kind of a tough pill to swallow. I know personally, I don't like to purchase something if the shipping is like a high ratio to what the item costs. So if you could get that shipping down to $4.99, I think that would make a big impact and would help you get more sales. And you could, you know, drop this down to $4.99 and maybe you could just raise this by like $1 or $2 to help absorb just a little bit of those costs. And let's see here. Let's see what else we got here. Christmas candle set and 13 sales. So your photos, they just are a little bit dark. If you could bring on a little bit more light into the photos, I think it would be really nice. And these photos don't really have a lot of variance between them. Like these two are almost the same. And then even these ones are very, very similar. So what I would recommend is just mixing the photos up a little bit. You know, you saw on the last shop how she kind of just moved the earrings. One was in her hand, one was against a dime, one was against a ruler, and a few things like that. I think you could do the same thing. You could take the candle and you don't necessarily need to have a whole bunch of photos. But what you could do is you could put this on a coffee table. You could have a photo of it lit. You could have one photo. You know, I would say the other thing is I don't see the need, other than the thumbnail photo. I think the thumbnail photo works all right to have 2 candles in it, but I don't see the need to have 2 candles in every photo, especially since you're only showing, you're only selling 1 candle here. So I think you could have one photo with the candle open, one with the lid on it, another photo with the lid sitting against it, and different things like that. So just a few ideas there, but I think this image is just a little dark. You know, if you had better lighting, I think you could make it pop. And one photo idea, I think if you took a shot of this candle where it was straight down, might be kind of cute as well. So let's look up, let's see if I can give you an example. Winter candle. Like a straight down overhead view, I think would be a pretty shot where it's just straight down on it. Kind of like this one. This one you can see is just straight down. It's like perfectly centered. You're just looking right down into it. I think that would look really nice on these ones. These ones are just like kind of a little bit off to the side, but I think that's one other way you could kind of make it look really pretty. Now, Deborah has a good suggestion to show some scale. You could put a coffee mug. You could put some other cute little things in there to kind of give them that winter feel and the holiday feel. Maybe you could have like a little statuette of like Santa Claus, or you could even have like a Santa Claus coffee mug or something like that. Or if there's any other kind of Christmassy sort of things that would ring a bell to people when they're looking at these and make them think kind of Christmas vibes. You can go ahead and try and work some of those in as well. Now let's look at these ones. Baked apple pie candle. Look at these apples and cream candle, handmade candle, apple a la mode. I mean, this one literally looks like you're gonna eat it. Very cute. Apple a la mode. So again, the lighting on these ones are just a little. I like that this one's lit. I do like that. But the setting looks like a little. It just doesn't look, 100%. It looks a little, kind of. I don't. It's always tough, when you get the right shot. It's it always looks great, but sometimes it can be tough to get just that right shot. So one of the simplest ways to do it is just go look at what other people are doing and get yourself some ideas. So how are other people making it? And you can see right here, a lot of these ones on the top, the lighting is just a lot brighter. And this lighting's got, it almost looks like a funny filter on it. Like it looks a little yellow to me. It doesn't just quite look normal. And then the lighting looks a little different across them. So you're going to want to work on the photos a little bit. And it is one of the more challenging things to get just right. Here we go. This one I like. See, this person is lighting it with a match, and it's a very long like candle match. I kind of like that too. This is a great photo, I think, because it shows the scale because you've got their hand. It shows the match, so it's kind of some action going on. And you can see it's working for them because they got 55,000 sales. So something's working. Something's working for them. You could definitely get some ideas from that shop. Let's see. But other than that, I think you've got some great listings here, Debbie. Lots of pretty looking candles. I think if you just work on those photos a little bit more, you could have you could definitely get more sales. Look at this one down here in reviews. There we go. That's a beautiful photo. There we go. The lighting on this one, really good. This one's definitely one of your best ones I've seen so far. I like the lighting. I like the angle. I like that it's just showing me the one candle. Nice, easy. And I don't know that you necessarily need all the different photos unless there's going to be a little bit more variance across your items there. But great shop.